Thrust set. 100 knots. V1, rotate. Positive climb. Gear up.
Blagnac approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 is type Airbus A320 and 1 mile
Flaps
southwest of Blagnac 700 feet. Request flight following.
Autopilot 2-1.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 Blagnac approach. Squawk 0447.
Squawk 0447 Airbus tree 20.
Airbus tree 20 radar contact 2 miles northwest of Blagnac 3,300 feet. Altimeter tree 0.12.
Roger Airbus tree 20. Blagnac approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X20 Blagnac approach. Cleared through the Charlie airspace.
Cleared through Charlie airspace Airbus tree 20.
Airbus tree 20 contact Bordeaux Center on 121.25. Good day.
121.25 Airbus tree 20. Goodbye. Bordeaux Center Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 8,700 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray tree 20 Bordeaux Center altimeter tree 0.12 radar contact continue.